going on, guys? How's everybody doing? Hope you're having a good, what's today? Thursday. No Huddle. 10 exclusive base or rookie Prism No Huddle parallels. Let's go. Let's get it. 1 exclusive rookie autographs per average. Gotta mention that. All right, let's go. Let's do it. Good luck, everybody. I'm going to get started. This will be posted on YouTube later tonight or tomorrow morning, depending how it downloads. So, good luck, everybody. Let's get it. Let me know what teams you guys got. Hopefully, we can pull them. Alrighty, let's go. Let's get it. Just here for the party. What's up, Mike? Where you been, Mike? Well, we're definitely gonna have a party. Chargers, let's get it, man. Let's pull some Chargers. These are getting hard. These are harder and harder to get. Prism, but we got one box. Go Buffalo Bills. Let's go. All righty. Let's get it, guys. We got Marlon Humphrey, Philip Lindsay. We got Kyle. Mr. Kyle just signed a contract. Jiski. Oh, and we're starting off. Let's go. What are we starting off with? Fireworks. Boom. Nick Chubb for the Browns. Who has the Browns? Nice hit. And below that for the Dolphins, this guy's a troll. Noah IG Benigin. I don't even say his name because he's a troll. He's always trolling out here. That's cool, man. I'm chilling. All right. That's all good, bro. Nice Nick Chubb, not numbered. Let me sleeve that up. 1 second. Alrighty, let's go. Second pack. Let's get it. Let's go Rams. Let's get it. I'm down. Mike Jiski. We got Jonathan Allen. We got for the Bucks, Devin White, the champs, and another one. Boom, fireworks, KC, Tyreek Hill, nice looking cards. That's the second for the Chargers. Let's go. Bam, already. There you go. Let's get it. Let's get it. Already, heat. I think a PSA 10, Justin Herbert's going for like $1,000 or something. Let's get it. Justin Herbert. Is that you, Jared? Is that you? Hopefully we get more, man. Let's get the big dogs. We got one Justin Herbert. Hold on, let me check if it's centered or... Let's look at it. Yep, pretty centered. Pretty nice. You made your money back already. Let's get it. We got Josh Allen. Eagles. Dallas Go Dirt. Prism Hype. Kyle Murray. Let's go. Arizona. He's about to blow up. And Shaquille Lockdown. Barrett. Nice cards, man. Wow. And for the Titans, a Christian Fulton. All right. We got your Herbert, man, so you don't have to sweat. But good looking cards here. Really good looking. Let me see some of them up. Got you a Herbie already. Nice looking Arizona. That's a fire. This guy's stock is going to go up next year, that's for sure. He got a good old line. He has some receivers. It's looking good. No worry, man. We still got ways to go. We got Devin Bush. We got Mike Williams. For the Vikings, Kyle Rudolph. And for the Cardinals, Larry Fitzgerald. Let's see if he retires or he comes back. For the Ravens, we got James Prosher and a Kid Reporters. So Arizona's hitting. Nice cards, Arizona. Let's see if he retires. This card might go up a little bit. All right, we see some purple. Let's get it. Good luck, everybody. Devontae Parker, Damian Williams, Jared Cook just went to the Chargers. Herbert's new tight end. What is this? What do we got here? For the Dolphins, be there, Miami. Be there, Miami. I told you he's a troll. Ouch, Miami. Is that numbered? Oh, I guess you can see behind that. Mims is in the back. That is 20. That's 20. I can't even see it. 22 out of 35. Man, what a waste, Miami. Sorry. And Denzel Mims in the back. Man, that hurt. Imagine that was a Tua. That would have been nice. Purple, 25. Yep, ouch, big ouch. All right, but let's keep going. Let's keep it going. We got Willie McGinnis. We got a Marvin Jones Jr. We see some blue. So super nice blue. Tyler Higbee, let's see. This is looking like a nice color. Ooh. All right, might be a rookie. This blue is looking amazing, like freaking water from Cancun or Hawaii. For the Chiefs, let's go Chiefs. Tyreek Hill, nice card though. Really nice card. That's two Tyreek Hills. Let's see what number is that. Oh, and we got a 2-0 behind it. Let's get it. Fire. Let me sleeve these up real quick, and I'll show you the back of it. We got Herbert. We got Tua. Let's go. Let's get it. Let's get it. Hey, we made up for it, though, Tua. It's a base. Still nice. Kansas City. Tyreek Hill. Nice blue. All right, Tua, you're on the board. Herbie's on the board. This is 19 of 79. Super nice cards, man. All right. We redeemed a little bit. But we need like a nice rookie hit. We got Deontay Johnson. We got Joe Theismann. Packers, we got Devontae Adams. Kansas City, man. What is going on? Kansas City. Travis Kelce. Kansas City's on fire. Taking all the discos. AJ Spinezza. Who's Kansas City, man? You guys taking all the hits. All the discos. I know you don't mind. I know you don't mind. Let's go. All righty. We got Geno Atkins. We got Dallas Cowboys. We got a Grady Jarrett. For the Bills, let's go. Zach Moss, Trayvon Edmonds. And for the Titans, Deontay Evans. All right. I don't know, man. Downtown? Let's hope so, man. I'm down for downtown. Let's get it. Let's get it. All right. Come on, let's get a nice disco, man. We need a really nice disco out here. We need a really nice disco. We got Bruce Smith. We got Drew Luck. Ooh, that is scratched pretty bad. Armstead. Okay, let's see who's next. For the Cowboys, Trayvon Diggs. Ouch. Could have pulled a CD and a Jake Luton for the Jags. Come on. Let's heat up back again. Let's go. Come on. Let's heat up back again. We need some more fire discos, though. We need Jalen Hurts. We need Joe Burrow. Come on. New England Patriots. We got Joey Bosa. For the Chiefs, Damian Williams. Too bad he just got released. That was a Mahomes. That would have been fire. Nice. Juju. He's out too, I believe. He might come back. And for the Patriots, Devin Assisi and a Kiss Reporter. Man, nice cards, but those players are gone already. The Chiefs are definitely getting their hits tonight. Alrighty, let's go. Come on, let's heat up. We need some other QBs to show up. Where's our signature, man? I wonder who our signature is going to be. We got James Conner. He might be in here. Zach Ertz. See where he gets traded. Alvin Kamara. Purple. Uh-oh. Let's see. Let's get this purple, man. Come on. Let's get this purple. For the Cardinals, DeAndre Hopkins. Nice card. Cardinals are hitting too, man. Super nice card. Let me check that out. That is number 215. Wow. And behind it, we got a Gabriel Davis for the Bills. 215, Arizona. The Chiefs in Arizona are eating right now. Nice looking card, Arizona. DeAndre Hopkins. That's 215. Super nice card. Let me check. Check it out. Nice. To 15. Number 1 of 15. Wow, first one. Let's go. See if I can put. Alrighty. We got T.Y. Hilton. We got a Tennessee A.J. Brown. I see some blue under there. Larry Fitzgerald. Let's see what this blue is. Oh, all right. Not a rookie. I don't believe it's a rookie. For the Dolphins. Ooh, Kalen Ballage. Who the heck are you, Kalen Ballage? That would have been a nice match. And Kenneth Murray for the Chargers. Ouch. You got a lot of trolls, Miami, that's for sure. A lot of trolls. Nice card, though. That blue on blue. Come on, we need a big hit. Where's our signature card? Let's go. Devin McCourty. We got Tyrann Mathieu. We got Barry Sanders, the legend. And what do we got here? Michael Thomas for the Saints. Nice looking card. And for the patron, Josh O'Shea. Not numbered, Michael Thomas. Come on, let's go. Let's heat up a bit. We got Miles Boykins. We got Warren Moon. We got Anthony Barr. Disco Prizm Denver Broncos wide receiver. Let's get it. Boom, Judy. Let's go. Nice Judy hit. And CJ Anderson behind that. It's a pretty nice Jerry Judy for the Broncos. See how he does next year. Let's see if he kills it. He needs a better quarterback, but that's another story. All right. Come on. We got some decent cards, but we need a banger. We still need Jalen Hurts. We still need Jordan Love. Some Tom Brady's. Come on. Andre Johnson. Zeke. Fireworks. Julio Jones. For the Cowboys. CD, be there. Boom. Negative variation. Bam. There you go, Cowboys. And Chase Claypool after that. Nice, nice. All right. Little fire pack right there. I pulled a... what did I pull yesterday? Genesis CD, man. I be pulling CDs like crazy. All types of them. I'm not a Bronco fan, but man, that's a fire-looking card. Is that you, Joe? All right, cool, man. Well, your odds are better if you do that. But that's a nice-looking card. Negative variation. Check the card out. Boom. Fire. All right, let's go. All right, come on. Let's get something big. Josh Allen, Deshaun Jackson. Let's get Jalen Hurts signature. We got Jalen Ramsey. And here we go. Here we go. Is this a signature? Yep. All right, let's get it. Let's get it. Let's see who this is. Football. Looks like maybe Miami. Alabama. Who's from Alabama? Raekwon Davis. Ouch, Miami. Woo, Miami. You got Troves, man. And behind that, we got Logan Wilson. Ouch. Still a nice card. I think he's a solid player. That would have been a... If that would have been cool, man. That's nice teams right there. Ouch. Still a nice card, man, but wrong player. All right, we got two more guys, and that's it. Two more. Let's finish off with the banger. We already got our signature, so not who we wanted. Come on. Let's finish strong, though. Let's finish strong. We got Mark Ingram. Where's Joe Barrow, man? We need Joe Barrow. Mark Ingram. Javon Curse. Rondé Barber. Blue. Okay. It's not a rookie. For the Packers. Let's go, Packers. I know you've been waiting for something. Aaron Jones, newly signed. Nice card, Aaron Jones. And we got a rookie right behind that. Let's see who that is. Laviska Chanel Jr. Nice hit. All right, Jags, you're on the board. Pax, you're on the board. Let me show you that card real quick. Nice Aaron Jones, man. He's a baller. I'm glad they brought him back. That dude tears it up. Aaron Jones is to 10 out of 79. Nice looking card. We'll go through all the hits right now. One last pack. Let's make this magical. All right. Good luck, everybody. Good luck. We got Ken Anderson. We got Frank Clark. What up, Mitch? We got Curtis Samuel. Oh, what is this? It's not a rookie. I think it's a red. For the Lions, Marvin Jones Jr. Nice card, Lions. And we got a Jeremy Chin at the end. Man, it was tough for some people, good for some. For sure, Mike. Take care, man. Nice Marvin Jones. I think that's number 2. What is this number 2? 250. Hold on. Let me see some of these up. I'm going to go through the hits, guys. Thank you for joining. I appreciate it. Let me go through the hits real quick. 1 second. Obviously, you saw the Tua, the Justin Herbert. We got a Marvin Jones, number 250. We got a Laviska Shenault. We got an Aaron Jones. That's number 279. We got a Raekwon Davis signature. We got a negative variation disco. CeeDee Lamb. We got Chase Claypool. We got Jerry Jeudy disco. We got a Kellen Ballage. We got DeAndre Hopkins. I think this is number 215. Nice hit. Gabriel Davis, Travis Kelce. We got a Tyreek Hill. That is number 279. Noah. We got a Larry Fitzgerald. We got a Kyler Murray. And then we got a Browns, Nick Chubb. All right, guys. I appreciate you guys watching. I'm going to put the video up. You guys take care. Have a good night. Stay safe.